Oh, now he's on top of the bird feeder. This is one of the harder ones, but you can see it when I wiggle it. See how loose that is? That's not supposed to be that loose. It's supposed to be firm in there. So I'm not getting any real compression off of this stuff. So we're gonna get these out and replace them. Now the squirrels must be mad at a cat or something. In the meantime, I've got the 4 injectors out, as you can see here. Some of them don't have the injector seal on them because it didn't come off with the injector, and some of them do. And you can see that these are not in the greatest of shape. So, pretty greasy. This one here is even, this is the one that came off. This was even squashed. So that's no good. That really wasn't helping any. And this one here was the injector. It literally was spurting stuff out along with this one around the edge of the injector, keeping the top of the engine pretty clean where the injector seats into the engine. So we're going to replace those with these. And in the meantime, I got to pull them off with a little dental tool and get them cleaned up with some Scotch-Brite, and then we'll put them back in. New injector seals are on with a little bit of Vaseline and a Q-tip, and they're ready to push back in. Once I put a little Vaseline around the rubber seals themselves, we're going to push them back in. One, decent day on the weekend. Just recovering. And got the new fuel injector seals in after 2 years. First sign of spring. Popping up all over the place. I got some crocuses. Crocuses and my crocuses. What I want to talk about is this right here that just showed up. So we're going to set this bad boy up near the bird feeders just next to the Catio, and we'll see if we can spot some wildlife here this afternoon and tonight. We're going to let it run for a couple days and then we're going to check the camera. So let's work and see what we need to set this thing up. Okay, we got our camera set up. It's leading through. Hello, boys and girls. And we're going to get this camera set up so we can catch some of this wildlife up here. We've got our camera mount here, and I think I'm going to put it up at the top of the railing here, looking down at the bird feeders. So I'm going to put it like right over here looking down at the bird feeders. Or I may put it over here looking down at the bird. That might be easier because it's a little lower. Okay, let's get this thing set up. Can't believe this, but the searing burner on this thing just cracked and it broke. It just really snapped in two. I don't know if it was because it was a cold steak on a hot spray painted grill. I don't know what happened, but you know, and of course, all the fat's burning off here. But still, what the heck? I mean, I got to get a new one of those. Totally cracked it. Went right across. Wow. There's the aftermath. Totally snapped it right across the middle.